everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to log into CAC Nigeria portal step by step. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is open up Google Chrome or a browser of your choice, and then in the search bar simply type in CAC Nigeria login. That is CAC Nigeria login. Tap on the first link saying login ICRP. Scroll down. Here you can either enter your username along with your password, hit login, and then log into your account. Your account should be verified before you try and log in. In case your account is not verified, simply hit recent email, verify account, and log in. The other thing that you can do is sign up if you are completely new. Here you can select your account type, public user, accredited agent, or entity account. For now, I'm going to be selecting public user and then hit continue. Here you'll have to enter your surname, your first name, your other name or your nickname, your date of birth, and all your other account details. After which you'll have to hit register and follow the on-screen instructions to register your account, after which you'll be able to log into your account through the login page. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.